So we can just open the focus and rest back in the body. All we're doing is having a look at what's here right now. Drop our attention down, down, down. We may notice the contact points, the body in the chair, and the feet on the ground. Then I thought we'd just notice the breath. We don't need to do anything with it. Just notice. There may be a rising and falling of the chest or the stomach area. So we can feel like with our eyes closed that we're turning in towards that breath, just to notice. We're not doing anything with it. Don't need to change it. I mean, it may change naturally by itself. But this is very effortless. So is there any separation between what knows the breath and the breath? In actuality. Is there just breathing? We can't really find a boundary, can we, between the attention and the breath? And the breath may spontaneously start to slow down or to become deeper. Again, it's not a doing, you're just simply noticing. Thoughts may have slowed down. There may be some relaxation in the physical form. We can even feel into that spaciousness now with the breath. So there's the area inside of the body. We're noticing the breath there. And then there's the area outside of the body. You know, is there a boundary between the area inside and the area outside? Is there actually an inside and an outside without us naming it?